conceptual ERD of our proposed system titled Automated Rain Gauge Monitoring System. So next, please.
So for the introduction, the proposed system aims to address first the lack of real-time monitoring, second, reduce human error, inaccuracy of a manual process, and then second is the third is the targets MDRMO Taguluan Misamis Oriental. So next slide please. So for the current manual process, first is a staff or admin check the rain gauge device every 15 minutes. Then second is a manual record the number of the bucket tips, one tip to equivalent of 0.2 millimeter of rainfall. And then third is a calculate total rainfall manually after each reading. And the fourth is classify rainfall as a light, moderate, heavy, instance, or torrential. And then data and date are logged in the Excel spreadsheet. And the last is the admin is generate reports and analysis are the manually, I mean. So next slide, please.
In our system, automate this process using the following components such as the ring gauge, magnetic sensor, Arduino microcontroller, and a GSA module. With these components, the system can also transmit data to a centralized web-based platform, and it would automatically classify the rainfall intensity, and it also allow a real-time monitoring by admin and staff, and it generates reports automatically, and also it send SMS alerts during extreme conditions. This solution improves accuracy, efficiency, and most importantly is the community safety. That includes the narrative part. Now, I'll pass it to my group mates who will discuss the entities, relationship, and the conceptual ARD diagram of our system.
So our the conceptual entity relationship diagram ARD illustrate the structure of the system by identifying the entities and their relationship. Each entity represents a distinct object or rule within the system that plays a critical part in the collection, monitoring, alerting, and reporting. And this is the list of entities, which is the device, location, precipitation, alert, admin, message, receipt, and report. And then our list of relationship is device installs at location, device collect precipitation, precipitation triggers alert, admin views precipitation, admin generate reports, admin send message, and receive message. And then admin views precipitation generate reports and send message to the receivers. And next.
Ako ni ba? So this is the diagram of our ERD. So as you can see, the device and the location has a relationship. So the device is installed by its specific location. And next is the device and precipitation. The relationship between the device and precipitation is to collect data from the device. And next is the precipitation in alerts. So whenever there's a data collected from a device, alerts will be triggered um, by converting to tips into So and next is the views and the precipitation in admins. So the admin can view the data from the device, and also the admin can generates the report and also sends a message, and the recipient or the barangay officials will receive the message from the admins.
Then,
Uh,
so in our second version of the conceptual entity relationship diagram, we made some changes for better clarity and relevance to our system design. We removed the report entity and replaced certain terms. Specifically, we changed the term precipitation into rainfall words. So we also refined some relationships to reflect the system actual process and flow of data. So the updated list of entities includes the location, device, rainfall, alert, admin, message, and recipients. The location represents the geographical area where the device is installed. The device is responsible for collecting rainfall data from that location. The collected rainfall data is monitored by the admin through the system interface. When the rainfall data reaches a predefined threshold, the system automatically triggers an alert. This alert plays a distinct role in the system, serving as an early warning signal for possible flooding in the community. Then the admin creates a message containing critical warning or advisory information. The recipients receive the message via SMS to support disaster preparedness and early warning dissemination. Wait lang.
So this is all our the conceptual ARD, and that's all.